I highly recommend visiting the Sanctuary of Truth in Pattaya. This breathtaking wooden structure is a masterpiece of craftsmanship, showcasing intricate carvings that blend Thai, Hindu, Buddhist, and Khmer influences. The attention to detail and spiritual symbolism make it a unique cultural experience. The peaceful atmosphere, combined with stunning ocean views, creates an unforgettable visit. Whether you appreciate art, history, or philosophy, this sanctuary offers deep insights into Asian traditions. The guided tours provide fascinating stories behind the carvings, enriching the experience. It's a must-visit destination for anyone seeking beauty, serenity, and cultural depth. This is my second time going here. The explanation of carving around the museum is too long that most tourists started taking pictures. Most of those who stayed looked so bored and disinterested. Having a guide do all the explanation should be optional for those who are really interested. Or at least make the presentation less boring. The inside and outside of the structure is very majestic though. I recently visited the Sanctuary of Truth in Pattaya, and it was an absolutely mesmerizing experience. The entire structure is made of intricately carved wood, with no nails used, which is truly impressive. Walking through the temple, I felt a deep sense of peace, surrounded by stunning carvings depicting Buddhist and Hindu mythology. The craftsmanship is breathtaking, and the ocean backdrop adds to the magical atmosphere. If you appreciate art, history, and culture, this place is a must-visit. This place gives the meaning of purpose of life and how to behave in this world to make a good society. Architecture consists of so many Hindu, Chinese and Cambodian sculptures. Guide explains very well about the founder ideology on 7 truths. This museum consists of Hindu and Buddha god sculptures made on a complete wooden structure. Designed in a beautiful way, the structure looks amazing. Began in 1981 yet a complete structure. The English guide's accent is not that much good, however understandable. The structure is constructed with a belief of sanctuary of truth in humans. This is a once-in-a-lifetime experience. I met Filipino tourist guide who explained the sanctuary of truth in full details. It opened my mind to the true meaning of life. Definitely a must-try when you are in Pattaya. The Sanctuary of Truth ticket booked through Klook was hassle-free and convenient. Entry was smooth, and the experience was breathtaking, an architectural masterpiece with intricate wood carvings and a serene atmosphere. Definitely worth it. Visited the Sanctuary of Truth and it was an incredible experience. The intricate wood carvings and grand architecture were breathtaking. The guided tour provided deep insights into the philosophy and craftsmanship behind this masterpiece. A must-visit in Pattaya for anyone who loves art, culture, and history. I recently had the pleasure of visiting the Sanctuary of Truth, and it was truly an unforgettable experience. From the moment I arrived, I was captivated by the sheer scale and beauty of the wooden structure. The intricate carvings and sculptures on every inch of the building are absolutely stunning, and it's clear that so much care and artistry has gone into creating this masterpiece. The tour was informative and engaging, providing fascinating insights into the spiritual and cultural significance of the sanctuary. I particularly enjoyed learning about the blend of Buddhist and Hindu influences in the architecture, as well as the symbolism behind the carvings. The surrounding peaceful environment added to the experience, making it a perfect place for reflection. I highly recommend this tour to anyone visiting Pattaya. It's an incredible blend of art, culture, and history that shouldn't be missed. This place is very nice and worth to go. All masterpieces have its own meaning. Have to follow the timetable of your preferred language if you want tour guide to explain instead of listening recorded audio. Amazing Sanctuary of Truth experience with Klook. Booking through Klook made visiting the Sanctuary of Truth seamless and hassle-free. This breathtaking wooden masterpiece left me in awe with its intricate carvings and spiritual ambience. The guided tour was insightful, sharing the deep philosophy behind the structure. A truly unique and mesmerizing experience highly recommended for anyone visiting Pattaya.